Welcome to T1 Academy. In our last video, we discussed questions based on colored balls. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about the questions which are based on all the concepts from different areas from this probability concept. That means the general probability cases. The general probability case, how we are going to solve and how the questions will be asked, we will see in this video. Now please do watch all the previous videos students, that easily you will understand what is this and how we are going to solve these things. Now see here. If the probability of winning a game is 0.6, what is the probability of losing it? See, there will be only two things. See, sir, there is a chance for draw also. You may have a doubt. So, in this case, there is a result is definitely possible. In this case, a result is definitely possible. They will mention that also, don't worry. If that result is definitely possible, now what are the chances? Either win or lose. Two things only, right? So, the probability of winning plus losing will become what? Probability of winning plus probability of losing will become what? 1. Either of these two things will happen, either win or lose. There is no chance for draw here. A definite result is possible in this event. Now, see here, what is the probability of winning the game? It is 0.6. 0.6. Now, what is the probability of losing it? What it becomes? We need to find that one only. That is equal to 1. So, therefore, the probability to lose the game is equal to what? 0.4. 0.4. Understood? The probability to lose the game will become what here for us? 0.4. 0.4. 0.4. Next one. From the word possessive, a letter is chosen at random. The probability that it is to be S is. Now, first of all, the possessive. How many letters are there in the word possessive? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 10 letters are there in this word. From this word, we are choosing one letter in random manner. Okay, what is that letter? S. So, first of all, when I choose one letter from these 10 letters, what is the total number of chances for me, students? 10C1. From 10, I need to choose 1. So, it will become what? 10. Okay, good, superb. Okay, I can choose any one. Now, how many S are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many S are available for me here? 4 S are available from me. So, the desired one is what? It is S only. So, desired one will become what for me here? 4C1. From 4 SS, I need to pick any one. So, it will become what? 4. So, therefore, probability will become what for me here? 4 by 10. So, it becomes 2 by 5. The probability here becomes 2 by 5. Here the option 4 by 10 was there. So, that is 2 by 5. 4 by 10 is there, students. If you further cancel it, it will become anyway 2 by 5. 2 by 5. This is how we are going to solve these type of questions. Okay. From 10, I need to pick 1. And here for me, 4 S are available for me. From that 4 S, I need to pick 1. So, that is the reason 4C1. So, it becomes 4. Okay. Next one. A box contains 100 tickets numbered from 1 to 100. Okay, 100 ticket numbers are there for us here, and it was numbered from 1 to 100. It was numbered from 1 to 100. 2 tickets are chosen at random. Okay, 2 tickets are chosen at random. It is given that maximum number on the 2 chosen tickets is not more than 10. The minimum number on them is 5. Why? With probability. Now I need to tell the probability of that. First of all, from 100, I need to pick how many tickets? 2. So, tell me the total number of chances. First of all, it will become what? 100 C2. It will become 100 C2. So, 100 C2 means what it becomes, students? 100 C2. It will become 100 into 99 by 1 into 2. 2 ones, 2 50s. So, it will become 99 into 50. So, the total number of chances for me here is 99 into 50. 99 into 50. Okay. Now, please see here. What is the thing I need to do? The chosen one, the chosen ticket should be, the maximum number on the two chosen tickets is not more than 10. Not more than 10 means it can be equal to 10, yes. And the minimum number on them should be what? 5. So, what are the possible numbers I need to pick? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 and 5. These are the possible numbers which I need to pick. So, out of these 6 only I need to pick 2. So, the desired one is what for us here? Desired one will become what for us here? 6C2. Desired one will become what? 6C2 for us. So, therefore, Probability actually it will become, I can write it out directly also. 62 means it becomes what? 15. So it becomes 15 by 99 into 50. 5 3s are, 5 10s are, 3 1s are, 3 33s are. So my probability here becomes 1 by 330. 1 by 330 will be the probability for me here. Okay. So none of these will be the answer for us. Okay. So from 100 I need to pick 2. So that my answer here becomes 1 by 330. Next one. It is known that a box of 200 electric bulb contains 16 defective bulbs. That means total in that box there are 200 bulbs. In that 16 are defective. Then what about the remaining 184? They are perfect, right? They are perfect. So out of 200, if 16 are defective, what about the remaining 184? The 184 are perfect one. Okay. One bulb is taken out at random from the box. What is the probability that the bulb drawn is? Now, from 200 bulbs, we are drawing one bulb, right? So, what is the total number of chances for me here? 200 C1. 200 C1 means it will become what? 200. Okay, total number of chances for me is 200. Now, the first one is, if the drawn bulb is a defective one. So, what is the desired in my first case? Desired in my first case. Total 16 are in defective, right? So, 16 C1. It will become 16. So, probability will become what for me here? 16 by 200. 16 by 200. 4 4s are. Or else in 8 table also you can go. 8 2s are. Right? 8 2s are and 8 2s are 16 and 5s are. So, it will become what? 2 by 25. 2 by 25. 2 by 25. And the other one is non-defective. Non-defective. Non-defective means either you can do 1 minus 2 by 25. Why? Because 1 is the total. 1 minus 2 by 25 or find it separately. No problem. Non-defective means, so desired one will become what? In this case, 184 C1. 184 C1. That is equal to what? 184. So, therefore, probability will become what? 184 by 200. 184 by 200. 184 by 200. So, in 4 table, 4 4s are 16. I will be left with 24 means 4 6 are 46. Next, in 4 table, 50 times. Next, 23 times and 25 times in 2 table. So, it will become what? 23 by 25. 23 by 25. Okay, understood? When one ball is drawn from the defective balls, this is how we can do it. This is how we can do it. Next one. Now, 250 lottery tickets were sold and there are 5 prizes on these tickets. If Kunal has purchased one lottery ticket, what is the probability that he wins a prize? So, first of all, total number of chances are how many? Tell me. What is the total number of chances? From 250 tickets, he is buying 1 tickets. 250 C1. So, the total number of chances here becomes 250. And what is the desired one? 1 out of this 5, right? Why? Because from if we get one prize, the drawn one is in this 5, definitely he will win the prize money. So, that means what is the desired one? Desired output is what? From the 5 winning one, he should pick that one. So, that is 5 C1. So, it will become what? 5. It will become what? 5. Therefore, probability will become what? 5 by 250. It will become what? 1 by 50. The probability of winning that person is 1 by 50. 1 by 50 is the probability of winning the prize. Why? Because we have only 5 prizes. That means that drawn, the purchased ticket is from this 5. Definitely he will win. That is the reason 5C1 is his desired one here. Okay. Next one. A speaks the truth in 70% cases, B in 80%. The probability that they will contradict each other when describing a single event is. Okay. Now see here, A truth for 70%. What about lie? A tell lie for 30%, right? 30%. So this is in percentage. I will convert it into fraction. So this will become what? 70 by 100, which in turn becomes 7 by 10. This is 30%, that is 30 by 100. It becomes what? 3 by 10. That means the probability of A telling truth is 7 by 10 and the probability of A telling lies is 3 by 10. Okay, good, superb. Now, what about B? In the similar case, truth is what? 80%, right? So it will become 8 by 10. I'll write it as 8 by 10 only, students. No need to worry. 8 by 10. What about telling lies? It will become 2 by 10. 2 by 10. 20% is lie, right? Now, while describing a single event, they are contradicting each other. What is meant by contradiction, students? What is meant by contradiction? If one tells a truth, the other tells false. If the first person tells a false, the second person will tell the truth. That means what happens? We will have two conditions, right? Contradiction means A truth and B lies, or A lies and B truth. These are the two conditions which we have. Yes, sir. So A telling truth, what is the probability? 7 by 10 into B telling a lie. What is the probability? 2 by 10 plus A lying a thing 3 by 10. B telling the truth 8 by 10. Right? Now what will happen? This will become 14 by 100 plus 24 by 100. So overall it becomes what for us? 34 by 100. If you solve it, it becomes 2 17s, 2 15s. So that means the probability of contradicting each other is what? 17 by 50. The probability of contradicting each other statements is here what? 17 by 50. Contradiction means if one tells truth, the other tells false. That is the meaning of contradiction. That is the reason A telling truth, B lying, or A lying and B telling the truth. This is how we are going to find, and the probability is here 17 by 50. 17 by 50. Next one. A bag contains 15 tickets numbered 1 to 15. Okay. A ticket is drawn and replaced. Then one more ticket is drawn and replaced. The probability that first number drawn is even and second is odd. Now see here. How they are picking the tickets? First they are taking out one ticket, having a glance on it, and once again putting back into that row. That is the thing which is happening. So first of all, tell me what is the total number of chances here? When we are drawing the first ticket, what is the probability? 15C1 into, now we are replacing back that ticket into that one, once again into that club, right? And now it contains what? Once again 15. From that 15 we are drawing one more. Okay. A ticket is drawn and replaced, and then one more ticket is drawn and replaced. The probability that first number is drawn even and second is odd. So overall we are drawing how many? 2. So 15C1 into 15C1. So total number of chances here will become what? 225. 225 will be the total number of chances. Now the case is first one is an even and second one is an odd. Tell me out of 15 tickets, how many even numbered tickets and how many odd numbered tickets we will have? Out of 15, how many even numbered tickets and how many odd numbered tickets we will have, students? We will have 8 odd numbers and 7 even numbered tickets. Am I correct? 8 odd numbered tickets and 7 even numbered tickets. When you see 15 means what? An odd number. So 15 by 2, generally divided by 2, what you will get? 7.5. So one number above it, that is 8 will be odd in number, and the below number, that is 7, will be even in number. So we will have 8 odd numbered tickets and 7 even. So first one is what? First one should be an even numbered ticket. So 7C1. This is the desired one. Desired is what? 7C1 into my, what about my second ticket? Second ticket probability will be what? Second should be an odd. So that means total how many odd are there for me here? 8. So 8C1. 7C1 into 8C1. So it becomes what? 7 8s are 56. See here, students, only difference is how we are finding the total tickets, total chances. Here we are not picking 2 tickets at once. If we have picked 2 tickets at once, we would have written 15C2. But here we are not doing that one. Here we are taking out one ticket, having a glance on it, once again putting back that into the bag, and then we are picking the second one. So each and every time when we do the, taking out process, I will have the same number of cards, that is 15 in number. Okay, that is the reason 15C1 into 15C1. Okay, in our previous video also we discussed one question based on the cards. We are taking out one card and there we are not replacing it. Because of that reason we reduced the count. but here we are once again putting back that into the group. That is the reason this is happening here. Okay, so probability will become what for us here, students? 56 by 225. 56 by 225. Can we cancel it? Is it possible for us to cancel in 8 table? No, it is not going to cancel in 8 or in any other values. No, that's it. So there is no other chance. So the probability here will become 56 by 225. 56 by 225. 225. Next one. The probability of raining on a day 1 is, okay, raining on day 1. Day 1 is 0.2 and day 2 is 0.3. What is the probability of raining on both the days? Raining on both that. That means, see here students, first day rain and second day also it rains. End means what? Already I told you students, end means what? Multiplication, right? End means what? Multiplication. That means 0.2 is the rain on first day and into rain on second day is 0.3. So 0.2 into 0.3 it becomes what? 0.06. The probability of raining on both the days is 0.06. Both the days is 0.06. Understood? Right? Next one. A committee consists of 9 experts, okay, taken from 3 institutions A, B, C, okay, from institution A we are having 2 persons, from institution B we are having 3 persons, from institution C we are having 4 persons, 2, 3 and 4, okay. If 3 experts resign, then the probability that they belong to different institutions is, that means one should be from institute A, one should be from institute B and one should be from institute C. That is how we need to find the resignations. So first of all, overall how many are there in that one committee? 9 people are there. If 3 persons resigns, so total number of chances is 9C3. If 3 persons resigns, the total number of chances is 9C3. That means 9 into 8 into 7 by 1 into 2 into 3. 3 ones, 3 threes, 2 ones, 2 fours. So 3 fours are 12, 12 sevens are 84. Total it becomes what? 84. So the total number of chances here are how many in number? 84 in number. 84 in number. Now what is the desired one? The resigned people should be 1 from A and 1 from B and 1 from C. 1 from A, 1 from B and 1 from C. So 1 from A, 2C1 into 1 from B, 3C1 into 1 from C, 4C1. So it becomes what? 2 into 3 into 4. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Therefore, probability will become what for us here? 24 by 84. 24 by 84. 4 6 are 4. 21s are. Next, 3 2s are 3 7s are. So it will become what? 2 by 7. The probability of resigning 1 from each group is 2 by 7. 2 by 7. 2 by 7. Right? Next one. A positive integer n is selected such that n value lies between 100 and 200. The probability that it is divisible by either 4 or 7 is. The probability that it is divisible by either 4 or 7 is. It should be either divisible by 4 or 7. So that means what I need to find? First of all, I need to find how many multiples of 4 and 7 are there. So multiples of 4 from 101 to 199. Please be careful students. My range is from 101 to 199. We should not include 100 and 200 here. We should not include 100 and 200. So from 101 to 200, 199, the multiples of 4 are 24 in number. The multiples of 4 are 24 in number. Good, superb. Next, what about the multiples of 7? Multiples of 7. Multiples of 7 will be how many in number? They will be, first multiple is what? 105. 105 is the first multiple. What is the last multiple which is divisible by this one? 196. 196. So 105 to 196. How many will be there? How many will be there, students? From 101 to, it will be 13 in number. It will be 13 in number. 13 in number. Okay. Overall, we will have 13 multiples. 13 multiples. Now, what it becomes? 24 plus 13, sir, 37. So, the probability is 37 by 99. Is that correct? 37 by 99? No. Why? What is the reason? There can also be the common multiples between 4 and 7. So, to find the common multiples between 4 and 7, how you will find? We will find the LCM of 4 and 7. What is the LCM of 4 and 7, students? What is the LCM of 4 and 7? LCM of 4 and 7 is 28. So, please check the multiples of 28. What is the first multiple of 28 more than 120? 100, more than 100? It is 112. Next multiple is 140. Next multiple is 168. Right? Next multiple will become what? It will become 28. When I add 28, it becomes 196. So, total how many are there, students? There are 4 multiples which are common. So, what it becomes? Minus 4. Minus 4. That is the reason it will become what? 33. So, there are 33 multiples of 4 and 7 between 100 and 200. That is, the range is from 101 to 99. So, now tell me, from 101 to 99, so 100 to between 100 and 200, how many are there for us? 99. So, total number of chances are what? 99 C1, 99 C1, and the desired one will become what? Desired one. From this 33 I need to pick, right? So, 33 C1, this will become what? 33. Therefore, probability will become what? 33 by 99. 33 by 99. So, it will become what? 1 by 3. The probability here becomes 1 by 3. The probability here becomes 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is the probability of getting either a multiple of 4 or 7. Okay. Next one. A man and his wife appear for an interview for 2 posts. The probability of husband's selection is 1 by 7 and that of wife's selection is 1 by 5. The probability that only one of them will be selected is. Now see here, husband selection. What is the probability they given for us? Husband selection is 1 by 7. And what about his rejection? Husband's rejection will become what? 1 minus 1 by 7. 1 minus 1 by 7. That is equal to what? 6 by 7. The probability of husband getting rejected is what? 6 by 7. Now, when it comes to wife, what about her selection? The probability of her selection is what? 1 by 5. What about her rejection? The probability of her rejection is 1 minus 1 by 5. That will become what? 4 by 5. That is her rejection. Now, they are telling that the probability that only one of them is selected. Now, here only one should be selected out of these 2, husband and wife. What are the chances? Tell me, students. What is the chances? Husband selection, husband selected and wife rejected, or wife selected and husband rejected. These are the 2 possibilities for us, and husband rejected. These are the 2 possibilities. So, husband selection. What is the probability of husband getting selected? 1 by 7 into wife rejection 4 by 5. Or means what? Plus wife selection is 1 by 5 and husband rejection is what? 6 by 7. So, what happens to these students? 4 by 35 plus 6 by 35. This will become what? 10 by 35, which in turn becomes what? 2 by 7. So, the probability of only one person getting selected is 2 by 7 here. If husband selects, wife gets rejected. If wife selects, husband gets rejected. So, this is how we need to find the general probability cases. Okay, right? The next one. Now, please here. Ticket numbers 2, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 101. Please be careful, students, from where the numbers are starting. From 2 it is starting and it is ending with 101. So, total how many are there for me here? Total 100 tickets are there. 100 tickets are there, but the numbers are starting from 2 and ended at 101. Please be careful. Are placed in a box and mixed thoroughly. One ticket is drawn at random from the box. Find the probability that the number on the ticket is an even number. An even number. From 2 to 101, how many even numbers will we have, students? 50. So, the probability will become what? 50 C1 by 100 C1. 50 C1 by 100 C1, it becomes what? 50 by 100, which is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Next, a number less than 16. Number less than 16 means 2 to 15. 2 to 15. How many numbers are there? just 14 numbers are there. Please be careful. Why? Because 1 is not there here. From that 14 I need to pick 1. So 14 C1 by 100 C1, it will become 14 by 100. It will become what? 7 by 50. 7 by 50. It becomes 7 by 50. Next, a number which is a perfect square. Perfect square numbers are how many in number? Tell me. 4. Actually 1 is also there, but 1 is not there in our case. So 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 up to 100, right? Up to 100, I mean 10 squares I have except 1 square. So total how many perfect squares I will have here? 9 perfect squares I will have. So 9 C1, from that 9 C1 by 100 C1. So my probability here will become 9 by 100. Here 1 square is not there in the given series. 1 square is 1. So that is the reason I am eliminating. A prime number less than 40. Prime number less than 40. How many prime numbers are there less than 40, students? How many prime numbers are there less than 40? If you are able to know, write it. What are these? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37. These are the prime numbers, right? These are the prime numbers which we will have less than 40. So how many number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 prime numbers. We have 12 prime numbers less than 40. Less than 40. We have 12 prime numbers less than 40. So what will become? 12 C1 by 100 C1. It becomes 12 by 100. So 4 3s are 4, 25s are. So my probability here becomes 3 by 25. Probability here becomes 3 by 25. 3 by 25. Next one. The probability that 13th day of a randomly chosen month is a Friday is, first of all, a randomly choose. Every month will have a 13th, right? Yes, sir. So first of all, I need to choose 1 month out of the 12 months. So first month selection, similar to our bag. Earlier we have seen, right, bag A and bag B in our colored ball case. Similarly here also, month, and then we need to choose 13th of the day. Okay, and 13th is a Friday. It is a Friday. 13th of the month we need to choose, and then next Friday. So out of 12 months, how many 13th of a month will be there for us? We will have 12. So that means 1 by 12. 1 month out of 12 months into Friday. In a week, how many days do we have? 7. From that 7, definitely it should be a Friday, right? So what is the probability of getting a Friday? 1 by 7. So overall it becomes what? 1 by 84. 1 by 84. The probability here becomes 1 by 84. 1 by 84. Next one. The probability that at least, this one is negation. Okay. The probability that at least one of the events A and B occurs is 0.7. The probability is 0.7. And they occur simultaneously with the probability. That means, see here students, probability of A union B, A or B is what? 0.7. And the probability of not happening that event, probability of not happening, that means happening both together. That means A intersection B is what? 0.2. 0.2. They are asking us that neither of the events happen. Then they occur neither. Neither of the events is occurring here. What is the probability? What is the probability here? They are asking us. They are asking us. First of all, how you will find the probability? Generally, what is the formula for A union B? Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Right? This is the thing which we generally do. Yes, sir. We do like that. So from this, please find out first of all probability of A plus probability of B. What you will get here? This is what? 0.7. When you send this to the other side, it will become plus. So it will become what? 0.2, which in turn becomes 0.9. 0.9. Okay, good. But they are asking us probability of A not to happen and B not to happen. So that means generally what I can write, probability of A not to happen and probability of B not to happen means individually I can write as 1 minus probability of A happens. This is not negation. Probability of A plus 1 minus probability of B. That is the thing which we will do generally to get probability of A not to happen. 1 minus probability of A happening. Probability of B not to happen. 1 minus probability of B not to B happens. So here what overall it becomes when I solve it, it becomes 2 minus probability of A plus probability of B. Am I correct? When I add all these things, 1 plus 1 it will become 2, I will take minus common, so it will become like this. So now it will become what? 2 minus probability of A and B together is what? 0.9. So it will become what? 1.1. 1.1. So our answer is 1.1. Now you will have one doubt here, students. Sir, you told us in our previous sessions that the probability will never go beyond 1, means these are the exception cases, students. When there is a negation chances where we will get a probability is greater than 1, no need to worry. This is not that case. That general probability cases, these are little bit different. Don't think it as a wrong one. You will get the answer as 1.1 only. Okay, right? That's it, students. Thank you very much. We will see another concepts in our next video. Please do watch all our videos so that you can understand each and every concept clearly, right? Thank you very much.